Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pack with me for a road trip. Me and my boyfriend are going to be going up to Georgia and we're really excited to show you what we do around there, so stay tuned for those videos because they're coming. But yeah, for today all we're going to do is pack. We're supposed to leave in an hour and a half and we still haven't packed anything, so it should be fun. But yeah, let's go ahead and pack. To be honest, I haven't even checked the weather up there. I'm about to check it right now. I don't think it's cold or anything, but it's better to check. So right now it's mostly sunny up there and it's supposed to be like the highest is gonna go up to is like 84 on Wednesday. Honestly, we're gonna pack mostly pants and a little bit of some long sleeves and then also a little bit of summery outfits just in case, because you never know what's gonna happen. You never know how this weather wants to act. So yeah, let's get started. So first off, I normally like to pack my underwear and bras in there. So I really like storing them in there because it's a really nice compartment and it's separated from everything else. I'm also going to pack some sports bras, just very simple ones. This one from Gymshark, and then definitely this white one, as well as this purple one. But yeah, we're packing these because we plan on working out over there. We don't know if it's really gonna happen, but so far that's the plan right now. So I just roll them like this so I'm able to have more space in the luggage for other items. I'm also gonna put some socks up there. I'll be bringing these pink leggings to work out in. And then for my shoes, I'll be storing them right here on the side. I'm just taking my sandals. So these purple ones don't fit down there, but that's fine. I'll find somewhere else to put them. So I'm only taking 3 sandals. It's gonna be those 3 sandals that I showed you. And I will be taking some sneakers, but I'm gonna wear them on the road, so I won't be packing those. Honestly, my method of packing the shoes is not as good as it can be, but I've seen that they have on Amazon these like packing cubes that supposedly are really good to pack your shoes in. I'm gonna put a photo of it somewhere around here on the screen. I'll post a link down below if you guys are interested. I'll also be posting a link to my toiletry bag. This is like the best toiletry bag I've ever had. It has this side compartment and then you open it up. It opens up like this. There's this little hook at the top where you can hang it from the closet, in the bathroom, like wherever you're at. And then I just put out my toiletries in here. You pretty much put anything in here. I got sunscreen, moisturizer, I got my shampoo, body wash, etc. And then you just close it back up, zip it up. And it's great and it fits really easily in your luggage. I'm actually gonna put it in my carry-on luggage, but if I was going on a plane I would be putting it in my big luggage because of all the liquids that are in there. So I'm actually gonna be taking these shorts for Juki in case we end up going to the beach or getting in a hot tub in the hotel. Like, whatever we do, we're just gonna bring one just in case, because you never know. This is mine. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done packing. All I'm missing is, there's some shirts back there, but we're just gonna hang those shirts up in the car, and I'm missing like 2 pairs of jeans for Juki, and my pajamas. What else? My hairbrush, toothbrush, a couple things like that. And then we're gonna pack a little book bag where I'm gonna have my computer in there, my camera, all of that stuff. And yeah, I'll show you guys. Oh, I'm also missing my purses. Yeah, we'll need those. So everything's pretty much packed right now. I ended up taking this little book bag because it's gonna be good when we have to walk around, and I can keep my camera in there. This is the carry-on bag. I put my hairbrush, some PJs. This is a gift in here for a family member, and my toiletry bag is in there, as well as my makeup bag. So I'm also taking this book bag. This is where I have my computer, journal, and my planner. This is what it looks like. And also my camera bag. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from the way that I pack. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're about to hit the road. Once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.